Okay, language explorers, let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. So, cold. Oh, cold. Cold. So, not hot and without heat. Yeah, not hot. Whew. Let's have a look. So, sun. Let's get a picture. So, there we are. Can we get that in there, maybe? Yeah, not hot and without heat. So let's get another picture. Say cold. Yeah, here we are. Cold. Yeah, there we are. Very good. Without heat, cold. Yeah. Or without love. Love or affection. Let's try and get a picture. Let's have a look. So without, oh, perfect. Yeah, here we are. Without love or affection. Yes. Yeah, there we are. Without love or affection. So cold. So cold. Oh. And without love. Without love and affection. Yeah. Drink cold water. It is a cold room. Yeah, what happened here? What happened here? It is a cold room. Yes. The engine is cold. It will be a cold day in winter. Cold day in winter. Yeah, yeah. Today is cold. Today is cold, especially in the summer, because it's summer. Yeah. So some people are cold and empty inside. Yeah. He only has cold feelings. Yeah. She is often cold with him. She's often cold with him. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So he is cold in the room. She is cold by herself. They are always cold. It is often cold in this office. Office. Okay, I am not cold as I sit here. Yeah, I'm not cold. Whoo! Hot. Yeah. So he is, she is, they are, it is, I am. He is, she is, he, she, they, it, I, anything. Yeah. How cool is that? So she had a cold house. It used to be cold, but not anymore. She used to feel cold with her husband, but they changed over time. They changed, yes. Perhaps she's writing a cold story, a heartless story, empty inside. It is a cold, heartless story. Yeah, heartless. Yeah, there we are. Where is that? Oh yeah, there we are, heartless. Without a heart, yeah. Heartless, soulless, empty, cold story. It will be cold in the winter. I like winter because there is snow and it is cold outside. So it is a chance to wrap up warm and be cozy. Yeah. Nice. Cozy. Relaxed. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So when it is cold, we often have to wear thick jackets and coats. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? So, cold. And look, it's so cold, the bubble is freezing. It is so cold, the bubble is freezing. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use cold in a sentence? Can you put that sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Yeah. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.